If you own a Ford Expedition, Lincoln Navigator from 2018 to 2020, or an F-150, F-250, F-350, or F-550 Super Duty from 2015 up to 2020, listen up. There's a quirky little issue you might run into with your power-deployable running boards suddenly switching from auto to off. This isn't a recall, and it's not a regular technical service bulletin. It's what Ford calls an SSM, Service Workshop Communication Message, number 50154. It means Ford's told their dealers how to fix this, but you might never hear about it unless you're digging deep. So, what's actually happening? Your running boards might just quit working or get stuck because of a low battery or voltage event. If you see a charging system lamp or diagnostic trouble code U3003 that's your clue. The fix is pretty straightforward. Ford tells dealers to Media Group mechanic testing car battery with multimeter checking charging system under hood. Ford service technician in workshop at stock at distribute _equally. Check over your battery and charging system, fix any low voltage issues, and then reset those running boards from off back to auto in the settings menu of your dash. Forums like F150 Forum and Lincoln Forums back this up. Most owners find a weak battery is the root cause. Some even mention a board not retracting properly, all due to low voltage. You can check your own battery. Look for about 12.6 volts with the car off, 14 volts while running. After you sort any voltage issue, use the dash menu. Settings, vehicle settings, power steps, then switch to auto. If that doesn't work, a dealer might need to clear the code and fully reset things. So remember, SSM 50154 is your keyword, and it's all about fixing a voltage issue first. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more Ford tips, and let me know your experience in the comments below.